Good morning, children. Now in today's session, we are going to see English for 7th standard. That's grammar preposition. That is in the page number 147, children. Those who are having the book, you can take. That is a preposition. That is, what is preposition? A preposition comes from a noun or a pronoun. Okay, a preposition comes before a noun or a pronoun. Okay, children, is called as a preposition. Then it shows its relationship to another word or a part of the sentence. Now see this here, preposition classified into three groups they are given, that is position, time and place. So noun is nothing, it's a name of a place, things, or we have said a name of a place, a name, place or things. So now preposition is, first they have given the position, that is position, that is on the table. So preposition, what is here? On the table. Then above the head, that is above. Then over the bridge. So these are all the prepositions. So before the noun or a pronoun, they have said on the table. So the table is nothing but a noun, and on the, that is before the noun or a pronoun. Next is the place. They have given place in Viluppuram. Okay, in Viluppuram. Next, at the bus stop. Then inside the classroom. So what are the prepositions here, children? That is in, at and inside. So these are the prepositions. Now next we will see the time. So what is time? In time, at 5 a.m. So we have to say what are the prepositions here? During the morning and in the evening. Okay. So now you can easily find out, children, what are the preposition at, during, in. So these are the preposition that is classified into three types, that is position, place and time. So what is preposition, children? That comes before a noun or a pronoun. Then take page number 148. So they have given, look at the pictures given below, read the preposition and do the action. That is, a girl is standing next to the box. The girl is behind the box. Same way the boy is coming out of the box. Then the girl is going into the box. Like that we can say, that is. Next is, they have given page number 149. Look at the pictures and pick out the right preposition and fill in the speech bubbles given below. So the options are given there, that's between, down from, on to, inside, on, in front of and over. So we have to write the correct preposition there. So what is the first one, children? See the first one here. This girl is jumping over the box. That is, I am jumping over the box. So the first picture is, I am jumping over the box. That is, over is a preposition here, right? The next is, that is, see the next one here. That is, I am standing on the box. I am standing on the box. Okay, that is, on is a preposition here. Then next, see in the center here, what the boy is doing? Jumping. So I can jump down from the box. I can jump down from the box. So what are the options given there, children? Down from. So down from the box. The next is, see this here, what this girl is doing? This girl is jumping onto the box. I can jump onto the box. Okay. Then next, see here, this, I am sitting inside the box. I am sitting. So what is preposition here? Yes, inside. I am sitting inside the box. Okay. Next, what is it, children? Here, I am standing in front of the box. I am standing in front of the So box. So what is the preposition here? In front of the box. Then I am sitting in between the boxes. I am sitting in between. So what is the preposition here? Yes, between. Between the boxes. Do you understand, children? Between the boxes. Okay, so here I can jumping over, on, down from, onto, inside, in front of, between. So the options are given and these are the prepositions given. Then next is we'll see read the following sentence carefully and underline the preposition. That is page number 150. So we'll see that now. We'll see which is the correct preposition there. So next is first one. Julian placed her lunchbox inside her bag. So what will be the preposition here, children? Yes, inside. So you have to underline inside her bag. Okay. Next is Vinodini left the house before sunrise. So what is that? So bag is also a noun. Sunrise, before sunrise. So before is a preposition. Then Ben saw Daisy playing across the road. So what will be a preposition here? Across the road. Then next, Hema keeps all her teddy bears on top of her wardrobe. So what will be the preposition here, children? Yes, top of her wardrobe means that is top. Okay. So the next is Divya hid the sweets behind her back. So what will be the preposition here? Behind. Yes, correct, children. Behind her back. The next one is Sudha fell over during the basketball match. So what will come here? Yes, Sudha fell over during the basketball match. Then Madhusudan checked to see if his keys had fallen underneath his chair. So what will be there? Underneath his chair. Okay. And the next is Mrs. Meena asked the children to go into her classroom. So what is the preposition here? That is, I said, it's a word that pronoun is, preposition is something but which comes before the noun or a pronoun. So into her classroom, that is what is the preposition here? Into her classroom. Then after lunch, the children were allowed to play. That is after lunch. So what is the preposition here? After. So after lunch. Then Saravanan climbed onto the horse. So what is the preposition here, children? Say to me. Yes, correct. Onto the horse. So do you understand this, student? So next we will go to the complete the following sentence using appropriate prepositions. That is your mother dash home? That is, options are given: A, in, B, at, and C, on. So what will be the answer? Yes, is your mother at home? So what is that? At home. At home is the answer. The next one is, there is unity in diversity dash the people. So the correct answer is yes, among the people. Yes, children. Then the third one, he discussed the problem dash his parents. That is with, to, for. So what will be the correct preposition here? Yes, with her parents. Okay. So the next, Vitisha was praised dash her father with, for, by. What preposition will come there? By her father. Okay. Next, can you finish the work dash tomorrow? By, in, within. So what will be the correct preposition there? By tomorrow. Then, he has been absent dash last week. Since last week, for last week, by last week. So what will be the correct there? Since last week. Okay, children, do you understand now? So next we will go to the fill in the blanks using suitable preposition from the box. So the options here also given here. So you have to write the correct preposition there in the sentence. Okay. So first one they ask, what do you do dash weekends? So what will be the correct answer? What do you do dash weekends? What is the preposition there? During weekends. Okay, during weekends. Okay, children. So the next is I am going to my village dash Sunday. So what you will write there? On Sunday. So on Sunday you will write. Okay children. And the next is I am going to my village on Sunday. I am going to my village on Sunday. Okay children. The next is, those who have the book, take down this children. I haven't met my friends dash December. I haven't met my friends since December. Okay children, since December. Then run on the street, and get me the ribbon, So you have to write the correct preposition there for this sentences children. Okay, that is run on the street and get me the ribbon. Then he told me in detail about the incident. So what's the correct preposition there children? About the incident. Then the picture was drawn dash the girl dash charcoal. So what will be the correct preposition will come there children? The picture was drawn by the girl. So by the girl with charcoal. So what she was having? Charcoal. By the girl with charcoal. So with charcoal the picture was drawn. And the car was traveling. Dash a great speed. So what you will write children? At a great speed. Then next is the bell fell into the lake. So what is the correct preposition for this? Into the lake. Then there is a bridge. Across the river. There's a bridge across the river. Then the conference will be held from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So in this children, that is, already I said, that is a preposition is nothing but the position, time and place. I said position, time and place. So here time is there, place is here, that is weekend, Sunday, December, ribbon, then incident, charcoal, speed, that is time, position and what did I say? That is the time, position and the place I said. Then same way lake, river, all this is time, terrain, time, all are the prepositions only. That is which comes before the noun are the prepositions. Okay. Now next we'll see the fill up the blanks using suitable prepositions on your own. That is, fill up the blanks using suitable preposition, that is I, that is page number 151. The first one they have given, the soldier climbed dash a horse and rode away. That is, the soldier climbed, that is I children, dash a horse and rode away. So this is a position. So riding on a horse and rode away. That is a position. Is what you will add here? On your horse. Okay children, this is the first one. Then they have been there dash a long time. they have been there dash a long time. That is a time. So you can say for a long time. Okay, for a long time. Then Kumaravel has lived in the city dash 2012. So what you can write there? Since you can use as since 2012. Then next one is the paper was published dash an international journal. So what preposition will come there, children? Yes, what is that? In an international journal. In an international journal. The next is when will you return dash home? When will you return dash home? So what preposition? When will you come back? We say in yeah. So when will you return? Back home. So back is a preposition here. So next. On 1 dash, the 4 students wrote the answers correctly. That is 1 dash, the 4 students wrote the answers correctly. So what preposition will come there, children? So what is that? That is one of the. What you will get? One of the 4 students. Then this fruit is dash. This fruit is dash the Mexican capital. So from where this is? The fruit is from the. So what you will write? From the Mexican capital. Then there was 8th one. The head office is for first dash. You will write at Nungampakam. The head office is at Nungampakam, and second it is on College Road. As you go next dash, that is through the station. Next dash is through the station, and the office is at the right side. The office is at the right side. You understand, children? So what are the prepositions we'll use here? The head office is at Nungampakam. It's a place. At. It is on College Road. As you go through the station, the office is at the right side. And the sailors were taken. Where they are taken? Through the sailors were taken through the forest and made to walk. How many more? For 10 miles. That is for 10 miles. Okay. The next, the girl standing dash me was sneezing. The girl standing before me was sneezing. Okay, children, so these are the prepositions. The girl standing before me was sneezing. So, okay, did you understand, children, what are prepositions are? So, by this, your term fully is over, children. So, the 7th standard term, first term is over for you all. So, the grammar, be thorough with this, what's preposition, and what's preposition, what did I say that comes before noun or a pronoun. Yeah, then what is position? Preposition nothing but the position and time and place. Okay, so these are the prepositions, children. Take down in your book. Those having the book, take down. Those not having the book, can take down in your notebook, children. Thank you.